Brianna. For today's video, I'm gonna be trying on outfits for Disney World, and I need you in the comments to let me know which of these items should I definitely pack in the suitcase, which outfits should I leave at home or should I return to the store, because some of them are new purchases. But if you're not already subscribed, make sure that red subscribe button is clicked along with that bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. I cannot wait to take you guys along on our Disney family vacation. There will be travel vlogs, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to see our Disney World trip. But okay, this first outfit. These ears I got a couple of trips ago, but this new t-shirt is from Madewell, and I got these shorts from Nordstrom. They're Topshop, and they're literally called mom shorts. I really liked the little rip though. I like that they were high-waisted. There's pockets, so these are definitely functional shorts, but you have to let me know. Would you keep this outfit? Would you pack it in the suitcase or take it back to the store? And I had to share these mini socks that I found in the Forever 21 checkout line. They're like a bunch of really fun primary colors, and they're all low cut, so perfect to wear with sneakers, walking around the parks. But I love these. And in case you're interested in any of these outfits for yourself, anything that is available, I will have linked in the description box below so you can check it out for yourself. All right, this outfit I'm thinking will be for a travel day. I love this purple velour hat. It's just so soft. I'm really into the baseball caps to cover up my postpartum hair loss. But this little Nike tracksuit, I just love this color. I think they are calling it millennial pink right now. But I love the little matching capri pants that they have little pockets. And I feel like they fit really nicely. They're slimming, but they're very lightweight, which I think is perfect for Florida. And this little jacket's really lightweight too, because it's gonna be really hot. And then I just got this white t-shirt from Tilly's. All right, so this next look is another travel day look. I just ordered this shirt off of Etsy and I love it. I found this hat at JCPenney and I just really wanted to get it for the spring and summer, this coral color. I feel like it's so fun. And this sweater is from Lululemon. And then these are those same Nike capris. Kohl's was having a really good sale, so I got them in the charcoal. But I thought they would be great for on a travel day. So on a travel day, you just wanna be comfy but cute. And this is all so super comfy that you can definitely tell I'm excited about going to Disney World. All right, so these pajamas I saw online at Nordstrom's. And I think I've mentioned this before, but Jasmine is my all-time favorite Disney princess. My bedroom as a little girl, I had a Princess Jasmine comforter. I just always loved the movie Aladdin. It is my favorite Disney movie. So I had to get these PJs with Jasmine on them. And they had these cute little shorts with a magic lamp. And the genie's on them on the side over here. There's the lamp and the genie. I just love these. And guys, these Disney Princess thermal pajamas. I saw Erin Williams wearing them, found them at Walmart, and had to get them for myself. They are just perfect for this vacation. Only thing I wish different is that they had them in Presley's size. I want these to be mommy and me Disney Princess pajamas. But they're so comfy. I love that they're thermal too, because then I can wear them all year long. But I absolutely love these for our vacation. I mean, they've got Cinderella and Ariel and Jasmine and Snow White and Belle. They're just perfect. All right, this next look is a romper, which I love just from a packing perspective because then it's really easy to pack for. Here's my only thing that I'm a little bit concerned about. Being a nursing mom, it's not exactly easy access for nursing, but I love the print of this. It's super lightweight. This is a BCBG romper, and I just think this would be so cute for summer. I could see pairing this with red for 4th of July or Memorial Day weekend. And I love the fact that it has pockets, so it's really functional. And honestly, it is so super comfortable. And I love the little tie in the back there. Let me step back and show you my shoes with this. I got these Dr. Scholl's. They kind of have that espadrille, I believe it's called, liner on them. They're really comfy. But I know I haven't fully decided yet with this one. Would you keep this one or would you return this one? All right, this next outfit I was thinking for Animal Kingdom possibly, but honestly, this hat doesn't fit very comfortably. So I don't know if it's going to work, but everything in this look is from Aerie except for the shoes. So I got just this plain white muscle tank, and I love these eyelet shorts. I feel like they fit really, really cute, and they're a good length. And I like the little cuff on them too, and just the color and the eyelet, and they're really airy, airy by Aerie. And I put on the same Dr. Scholl's shoes with this. Do tell me in the comments, do you like this look? Yes or no? All right, this next look is all also from Aerie. I love this little baseball cap with Salty. And I just feel like, so we can get out the door quickly and I'm not self-conscious about my postpartum hair loss, I'm gonna be rocking the baseball cap somewhere at Disney. But this little tank, the tie is from Aerie, and I just loved these camo shorts. The fact that they're camo with the pink blush print, and they're super light. I know this will be great. It's supposed to be in the high 80s every single day that we're at Disney. So love these, and got a little like bralette to go under this too. But let me know, would you keep this or not? All right, so this is another baseball cap and just really easy casual look. The shirt and the shorts are also from Aerie. I just liked the camo, sort of very neutral print of this with these nice olive green shorts, and they have the nice spray. They have pockets, so they're functional, just a drawstring, so really just comfortable. And I think out of all the hats I got, this one's my favorite. I love a white baseball cap, especially if you get a little bit of a tan, so I think I'll be wearing this a lot this spring and summer. All right guys, I have been dreaming to find a pair of really cute black short overalls. I looked everywhere, I was searching online, I couldn't find them. And I happened to notice at Tilly's the other day, I saw a pair and I got these. I'm obsessed, they are perfect. They were exactly what I was looking for. I love that they have the little cuffed short, they have pockets, they're really, really cute. And I'm actually waiting for some of our custom Etsy shirts to come in, so I think I'm gonna be wearing one of them with these, but I just put on this bodysuit that I got from Aerie with it because I thought the color combo was really nice. And again, rocking a baseball cap. But here, I'll show you guys. Like if you're looking for black short overalls this summer, these are them, they're perfect. And I got these white Adidas with the black stripes just to go with everything I'm wearing that's like black or white or colored since it's neutral. And I thought it like goes again with this hat that I know I'm gonna be wearing a bunch this spring and summer. All right, this little lemon dress wasn't one that I was going to wear to the parks all day, but we do have a couple of nights where we're going to go to a nice dinner. So I thought this could be a potential option. And I just love it. I feel like it is so summery. It is super light. I love the color. I don't own anything that is this print or looks like it. And it was only $20 from Forever 21. So these are the shoes that I got for with it. They're by Topshop and they have like a little fringe on them. So they're actually really comfy and easy to walk in because of that ankle strap. So what do you think? Would you keep this dress or return it? Worth the $20? So this black romper, I actually feel like I would wear around to the parks. I originally just got it thinking it'd be really cute for dinner, but it has that nursing functionality. There's like a little snap right here. So if I would need to nurse pee in the parks, it would be super convenient. Not sure I would wear this hat with it, even though it would be good for sun protection. But it's super functional. I didn't realize it actually has pockets. So this is definitely a piece that I feel like it's nice and light and airy. You could dress it up with really cute heels and jewelry for a dinner, or you could wear it with a really cute pair of flats out for around the park during the day. But I have to show you guys this hat because I thought it went really good with it. Isn't that hilarious? I feel like it is so perfect for this trip and the vacations that I have coming up. Oh, but the hat was from Francesca's and this romper is from BCBG. All right guys, that is the end of this Disney vacation clothing haul. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and have that bell notification button clicked, because that way you'll get notified when our Disney vacation vlogs get posted. I cannot wait to take you guys along with us. And make sure you're following me on Instagram, because that is where you'll get to see stories and pictures of our vacation first. So make sure you're following on there as well. And if you're interested in any of the pieces that I'm wearing in this video, again, anything that is available, I will have linked down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves. All right, I'm gonna go out of office. I'm seriously such a dork. You guys have to think I'm so weird.
When you feel like you're ready to go somewhere you've never been, maybe